welcome back to my channel. I've actually decided that I'm going to keep that as my normal introduction, so hello you beautiful people. And today I thought I'd switch it up. I'm a little bit more central, whereas normally I'm more to the side. I've got a little bit of a different lighting system, so let me know what you think. I feel like it's a little bit dark here because I've got them to the side, but leave me some feedback down below so I know. But anyways, today's video we're going to be unboxing the Look Incredible January box. Oh my god, this one is amazing. It's got Hourglass in it, it's got Anastasia Beverly Hills, it's got Too Faced, it's got Luxie, it's got 4 amazing brands in this one. It retails for £35, but it has £92.50 worth of products inside, so absolutely amazing. The Anastasia palette is worth 42 I think, or 44, so it's worth more than the box to begin with anyway. But let's just get straight into it. If you are new here, I am LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to enter my 8,500 subscriber giveaway, which is linked down below. I also have a secret giveaway in one of my videos as well. So make sure you go check out my other videos so you can find that. But let's just get straight into it, because I'm that excited I can't even spit my words out properly. So this is what the box looks like, and then when you open it up, it looks like this. And I've actually left the Anastasia one in its packaging just to show you how well wrapped this stuff is. So this is a full-size Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora highlighter palette. So it's got 6 highlighters inside here, but the actual thing itself is double wrapped in bubble wrap, and it's pink bubble wrap as well, which is cute. I haven't even opened this because I wanted to show you, because I just thought that was such a good touch, because you'd be gutted, wouldn't you, if you ordered this box and then one of the biggest products in here and the biggest value products came smashed. You'd be wounded. Well, I know I would be. Layer 1. Time for later. I feel like I'm playing pass the parcel with myself. I do want to let you know as well that Look Incredible did send this to me in exchange just for me to do a video and just to show you guys. So thank you so much, Look Incredible. I have worked with them in the past as well. Oh my god, I can't actually get into this. I have worked with them in the past too. So that second layer off. Oh, there we go. And then even then it has another little one here. So the first product is the Aurora Glow Kit, which just looks like this, and that little sleeve. And let's hope that it's not smashed. It's not, it's buffalo. So this is what it looks like. So like I said, it's got 6 shades inside. Let's get our little leaflet out that tells us all about it. It contains 6 shades of highlighting powder featuring vivid hues and multi-dimensional reflex. It's lightweight, cream to powder formula. Oh, that's interesting. Each shade delivers buildable coverage with a metallic luster finish. So we have the shades Eclipse, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, Eclipse, Luna, Spectra, Helia, Orion, oh, you know I can't pronounce things, and Lyra. And these are what they look like, and this retails for £42, so straight away this one product itself is more expensive than what the box is. So if you've always wanted to try that highlighting palette, then I recommend getting January's box. I watch a girl called Kaylee who actually buys the box every month and does a video on it. I'll leave her YouTube channel link down below because she's really nice. And I actually tweeted Look Incredible and said, look, I'm really interested in buying the January box or whatever month it was, and I was like, if I buy it now, will I get that box or will I get the next month's box? And they replied to me basically straight away saying it would be the box that's out now. So I knew what was in it and I knew what I was buying, so it wasn't going to be as much of a surprise, and I literally just bought it as a one-off box. And I did do a video on it, but it was really good, so that's something that I would highly recommend. If you're interested in one of these boxes, just tweet them and say if I buy it now, will it be the so-and-so box or next month's box? They'll let you know, and then you know whether to buy it, because then you know exactly what you're getting. The next product, which is worth £12, this is the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 primer and makeup setting spray, 30ml. I don't know what happened to my throat there, I'm sorry. This is their revolutionary coconut water infused makeup primer. I've always wanted to try this. I think I got the primer for Christmas in a set that my mum got me, but this is what the mist looks like. I really want to try, they brought out or they're going to be bringing out a lip balm. I really want to try that as well, but yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that. and like I said, retails for £12. That's £12 worth of product. And the next one is a full size Hourglass lipstick. Like, what the actual fuckity fuck. So this retails for £24.50, it says in the pamphlet. This is their Femme Rouge Velvet Cream Lipstick in the shade Fable. Let's get this out. Packaging is stunning. It feels expensive, like you can tell it's Hourglass. I'm not gonna lie, like this lipstick colour is just like everything for me. Like this is like something that I would actually wear. So this is what it looks like. It's got a lovely pattern on it as well, but it's just a really nice nude. Like it'd be so nice in the middle of your lips, like yeah boy. And it says it's super hydrating, which is all know I have dry ass lips, especially if you've watched my lip filler video that I put up recently. I'll leave it linked down below if you do want to check it out. But I have dry and flaky lips, like still dry and flaky. So it's super hydrating and long lasting, light as air formula. It helps to condition and treat your lips, and it's free from parabens and sulfates. So the last but certainly not least is a brush from the brand Luxie. This is their Luxie large angled contouring brush. This retails for £14, and it's their signature rose gold brush line. You can use this for powder or cream blush, bronzer or contour products. Like I said, this whole box retails for £35, but it has £92.50 worth of products in it. I'm really excited to try this and see what it's like for blusher. Looks really good. I've always wanted to try the Luxie nose contour brushes, but like I've just never got around to buying it. So yeah, I'm excited to see just what their quality of brushes is like as well. So that's everything that is in the January Look Incredible box. Like I said, give them a little tweet if you're interested in picking up this box. Give them a little tweet and ask them, like, if I buy it now, will it be this box? And they'll let you know, and then you know if you want to purchase it. Or if you just want to sign up for it. It's always got luxury brands in it. It's always full size. They don't give like little samples out or anything. Or if they do, it's quite like a, I don't know if I've ever seen them even do like a deluxe sample. I don't think. Kaylee will know more. So like I said, I'll leave a link to her YouTube channel down below. Please go subscribe to her. She's really lovely. So yeah, please do go subscribe to her. Thank you so much for watching anyways. I love you so much. I hopefully will see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, by the way, and turn that notification bell on. So we just have a gulp because I'm just talking way too fast. So basically, I upload on Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, and if you turn that notification bell on, you'll get notified when I upload a bonus video, which has been happening quite a lot recently, so I really hope that you do hit that notification bell, and I'll hopefully see you in a brand new video coming very soon. Love you so much, guys. Bye.